On the evening of 21st July 2021, teachers of the SSA had called off the agitation after their meeting with Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, where on behalf of the government he had assured the teachers of a release of pending 4 months' salary, while that of the 5th month will be released after receipt of funds from the central government.
We understand the problem, we understand the hardship faced by the teachers, where the pending salaries could not be cleared to them for 5 months. And today I've already communicated to them that the government has decided to release by next week, to release the pending salary of 4 months. Instead of 5 months, 4 months will be released next week to all the school, SSA school teachers, and the remaining 1 month will be again released only when the fund from the government of India is received by the state government. That is the point number 1 where we discuss. And the point number 2, of course, they raise about the enhancement of the salary. And regarding this point number 2, I told them, be little patient. We don't have to talk now about the enhancement, but I informed them officially. I told them, see, we are going to set up Education Commission, where I think this will be the first time in the history of Meghalaya. We will set up a full-time commission, and through this commission, all categories of teachers, all categories of the school management, they can always submit the proposal or the grievances that they have, and then this commission will study, will examine all the details, and thereafter recommendation can be made to the government. So I appeal them, I request them, see, you are also in teaching sector, kindly withdraw your agitation immediately. Please go back to your respective school and resume your duties as usually done.
Speaking to reporters this evening, the president of the Meghalaya SSA School Association, Aristotle Rimbai, announced that the agitation by the SSA teachers has been called off from tonight after the state government has assured them of a release of salary of the teachers.
Ban call off ani withdraw yang kaniga indefinite daharna jongi correction.
So today the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong informed us that the state government have released the balance amount amounting rupees 44 crores today itself for releasing the salary for the months of February and March. Added to that, the government have taken a decision to use from the corpus fund an amount of rupees 78 crores, which will be refunded that when the state government receive the first installment from the government of India. Added to that, decision has also been taken that both this amount, that is the 44 crores and the 78 crores, this should be transferred or credit to the single nodal agency not later than the 21st July 2022. And regarding the 1 month, because our salary is pending for 5 months, so the government will release 4 months, that is by next week, and for the remaining 1 month, the government will release it once they receive the ad hoc and the first installment from the government of India. Added to this, furthermore, the Deputy Chief Minister informed us that today he'll be going to New Delhi along with the Chief Minister to meet the Union Minister and also the official of the Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Education in order to expedite the release of the ad hoc and first installment by the government of India for this current financial year 2022.